What's up guys, today I'm going to be making the diamond play button or the silver play button. So let's get started. So I have this marker and this blue marker, and actually I'm going to get a red marker because blue isn't a YouTube color. So I got black and red. And I got this. It says my name on it. Wait, hold on. Now it says my name. Wait, hold on. I know how y'all can read it. This way. Erica. But I write it better the other way because I'm writing it backwards and it's different, so yeah. So I'm gonna color this in so it doesn't really matter if I mess it up. So I'm just gonna do the lines. Maybe like in the future, not next video, but I'll do the golden play button. So I messed up right there, but it's okay. I didn't mess up on the button. Oh my god, I feel like this is gonna run out of ink. And it already did. Okay, so I got another marker. It's a Sharpie, like the red one. Oh no, I have to do this again. Before the hate. Way back when I started Oh, this is gonna be really horrible button thing. Okay, all I have to do is don't rush. Okay, I'll call you guys back. Okay, I am done, and it took me like more than 5 minutes to color only the black. And you can still see Jericho. Oh yeah, I'm just kidding. You can still see Eric. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the red. It's not really red on the real play button, but yeah. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna see. Would you rather do blue or red? I'd rather do the blue because it's darker. No, I'd rather do the red because this doesn't even work. It's just liquid. It's strong. I am all done. It is the silver play button. And the red is not supposed to be there. But it's okay. I love it. It's my own DIY. I could hang it right here. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, like the thumbs up video, slam the thumbs up video, hit the thumbs up video, slap the thumbs up video, thumbs up clicker thingy, and slam, hit the subscribe button, and hit, and slam the notification bell, because if I post a video and you don't know about it, you're gonna miss on of the video. So bye, stay squishy.